the fuck on MySpace. Replacements on the way, please don't pay. Pussy's feeling like a great escape.
I got some more shoes. This time, y'all, I got some Nike Jordan Air Ones. I tell these shoes is. I think these the Gore-Tex, or these shoes are not from the boys at the fence. These are actually from a private seller. I'll have the links to these in my Instagram bio as well. So yeah, y'all need to go on my page and go to my Instagram, and then all the links to all type of shit in my bio. Okay, I got these in the 8.5. Oh, these shoes is too cute. These is too. So I got these off of coolkicks.ru. These are the shoes, y'all. They is so cute, like perfect for like the fall and winter season. Ooh, these shoes eat. The color pattern on them is so fire, like love them. And they fit so good. These shoes did come with some extra laces. They just like some brown regular laces, which is cool. I like that for me. So yeah, if you want these shoes, go ahead and check out my Instagram, and the link to these will be in the bio.